Hello and welcome to Market in a Minute, July the 25th, 2025. A good day for the KSE-100 index. Healthy macroeconomic indicators, a ratings upgrade by S&P Global to stable, a 514-point jump in a very healthy bullish market. But it's still without the momentum needed for a sustained rally. Why? Let's see what story our technical analysis indicators tell us today. So this is where we are today, a 514-point jump. Very few things to notice. One, the market is in very strong trend, no doubt. ADX is at 46.30. RSI is at 75.08. This is a very strong market. This price structure is still above all near-term, very important exponential moving averages. It found support at the 5-day exponential moving average. So a very firmly bullish market. But now here are the points to notice. Number one, candles are now thinning, which shows exhaustion at a top after a prolonged rally. Volume is thinning. We've been noticing this for a number of times. Whenever it goes high, it reduces again. Let's look at the MACD. The histogram is reducing. It's almost all gone now. In intraday today, it was red for a while. And the MACD line and the signal line have touched, almost given a death cross over here. So, bullish trend is intact. There is no doubt about that. But momentum is fading and volume confirms lack of conviction. This is where markets generally look vulnerable to a short-term pullback or range-bound drift unless fresh buying emerges. Caution is warranted at these overbought levels, always. So, this is just a quiet grind higher. You can say it's getting higher because it is a firmly bullish market. But it is a tired market. It is waiting for a pause or a mild pullback. There can be fresh buying very soon. Remember, we have the interest rate decision next week. We have a decision about the tariff agreement with the US very soon. And we have very good news on the economic front as far as macroeconomic fundamentals are concerned. And the market is firmly bullish, structurally, fundamentally bullish. It just lacks a trigger right now. Will that trigger come with the macroeconomic exogenous news? Yes or no remains to be seen. We'll be looking at these things very carefully. The volume, the histogram in the MACD, the crossover in the MACD, and the lengths of the candle. So keep looking and stay tuned.